Today marks 1 year, their anniversary of the Supreme Court's decision to legalize gay marriage nationwide. Last year, the LGBT community in Austin celebrated that landmark decision with an event at the Central Presbyterian Church, and today they did the same. Fox 7's Jennifer Kendall live in the studio with a look at the Love Ignites celebration. Jennifer.
That's right, Ashley. 1 year ago, the laws of the land changed. Gay and lesbian couples were able to get married in all 50 states, and same-sex couples in Austin lined up at the Travis County Clerk's office to get legal marriage licenses for the first time. Today, that landmark was celebrated at the Central Presbyterian Church. June 26, 2015. The U.S. Supreme Court changed the lives of gay and lesbian couples nationwide when they announced couples could wed no matter what their sexual orientation.
It was landmark in the sense that it established constitutional protections to equal protection under the law for gay and lesbian Americans.
I remember exactly the day. I was surrounded by 5 straight women who actually were all more excited than me. But for me, what it meant was that I was one more step closer to normal.
Jane and Liz just got engaged 3 weeks ago.
It's still a bit surreal. It's still a bit surreal, but it's very exciting to know that I get to marry her. So yeah.
After spending their whole lives waiting to gain the same rights as other Americans, they will soon get to tie the knot legally in the state of Texas.
And I never, ever dreamed in my lifetime that we would be in this place, that would be a possibility for me.
1 year ago, same-sex couples in Austin lined up for marriage licenses from the Travis County Clerk's office. Many people wed at courthouses in the state, and LGBT people everywhere celebrated their right to love and be loved.
My religion is kindness. I grew up Methodist, but my religion is kindness. It's about spreading peace and love, and that was why I came today.
1 year later, the LGBT community in Austin celebrates that decision. But also on the minds of those at Central Presbyterian's Love Ignites event are the 49 victims that lost their lives when a shooter opened fire at a gay nightclub just 2 weeks ago in Florida.
Today should be all about celebration, but the reality is that that celebration has to be tempered by the fact that many people are still grieving the loss of innocent lives in Orlando. People who lost their lives for no other reason than they were in a gay bar.
It saddens me deeply that hatred can manifest itself in killing of anyone, regardless of what the reason is, whether it's your religion, your color, your sexual orientation. It's sad. It's very sad.
From that terrible tragedy in Orlando to the pews of Central Presbyterian Church in Austin, members of the LGBT community say they won't let hate win the fight. And the message they want people to know has always been the same.
People are just people, and love is just love.
Interestingly enough, there have been a couple of Supreme Court decisions supporting same-sex couples that fell on June 26th. In 2013, the High Court overturned the Defense of Marriage Act that defined marriage as only pertaining to the union of one man and one woman. And in 2003, justices declared a Texas law that made it a crime for same-sex couples to engage in intimate sexual conduct unconstitutional.